Do you know that frustration feeling when you work hard to grow a small account, but see no real progress? If you have used a multiply strategy and still haven't achieved meaningful results, this video is to reveal the approach that turning the things around for me and can help you too. Let's go with these videos, guys, and come with together. A unique surprise is waiting for you. Watch until the end of the video and you'll be amazed what's coming your way. Today we're gonna use classic candles, guys, and time frames in 5 seconds. And we're gonna use 2 indicators that's used for you, alright? But guys, the settings and the strategies that will be different today. Aroon and Parabolic SAR. Alright? So that's a new combination. So we're gonna use 0.005 acceleration and 0.15. And the color is up to you if you want to use blue or another one. Alright? Aroon, we're gonna use 15 on periods and the style blue and orange. Alright? As you can see, my friends, the settings are really simple. Even if you have already tried these indicators, I recommend that you understand how this trading system works. Let's go. Today we start with $16 on trade time, so 1 minute for a trade, guys, and press the red button right here. Okay, that is fast. The strategy is better to play with it. My goal is to multiply my balances, guys, as much as possible. So I'm not risking my entire balance right now. It's such fast trading. I will not talk about analysis, logic, and other things. I think you understand this is half luck and half good signal on indicator. Okay, the correction had started right here. You can use this, alright? You just need to pay attention when you got the Parabolic SAR and all these things together. They open every 5 seconds and this is good movements. The intersection on the line for Aroon, alright? And when they're talking about it, is everything line across it. Before it's a sale trade, and that's Parabolic, it's higher than the candles. And there is a downtrend, as you can see. So to find such signals as often as possible and make a profit without loss. So guys, this won't give you a guarantee for the signals, but that's the start. Okay, and look at this, guys. 1 minute after this, we got our first profits on this, $30. It means I can continue to trade. I'll try to look at different example situation given more experiences. And it's important to realize this is just one of the strategies that can change your journey in these markets. To become a true pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is the key. But don't worry, I've prepared 3 exclusive resources that will be fundamental for growth. Stay until the end of the video. And so, guys, new signals is a sell trade. The time is 1 minute again, and the first secrets you need to know is to look for big waves in the markets. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Yeah, guys, if you see that candles are staying in one place and just randomly jumping, and it's a bad choice, look for something like mine right here. If you see the strong rise in the price, there will be the good stable decline. That's the rule of the markets. Falling, then rising, rising, then falling. It's happened all the time. The further the bearish correction looks, the more likely its price will move in direction. It's very simple. If your correction is weak, then no matter around all the time, the trend will continue. Okay, check the partnering. So the currency spirit is very, very important because it's health success for your trade. The line is intersects on the Aroon. And the public open almost everywhere. To find the best situation for this is the most important thing. Candles open very quickly, so you need to learn to understand the currency pair. And guys, my balance is just growing to $58. So very, very good. Let's move on. Alright, guys, another one. I have indicated when you see the correction, the line should intersect. If this doesn't happen, then the line crosser means the signal. This indicator is also very helpful in understand the situation is choosing an entry point. I get a lot of questions when they open a trade now, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 2 hours later, and that other questions. Just wait for intersection and about 3 or 4 points on the Parabolic. There's two indicators will help you understand the good entry point, guys. And of course, remember each of my trades so can be unprofitable and I lose my entire bounce. So I don't recommend you then use them on that. Okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. I do a series of trading, then take a break to start over, guys. This is my style of trading. For example, now I'm using my entire balance. So that will be a profit that's good for me. But I try to hit my stop win on that. That's most than $100. I think this is time to take a break. It's not often, guys. And look at this. I got $111 on this one. I just multiply my capital. It's very strong. I'm ready to lose that. No. So I will stop for now. Okay? If a trade is low and don't waste to lose, use a small amount to choose the money management strategy for yourself. You can find in my Telegram group. Just click on pinned message. Then this indicator will grow your account in small step and help on bad days, guys. Okay? That is pretty good. And look this, guys. That is amazing. Alright? We got 3 sequence, 3 in a row, 3 pairs, and that is really profit for us. Alright? It's very, very good signal, and my balance is $111, man. Okay? I hope, guys, this video it's useful for you to write your questions and your opinions in the comments. Just put in your score on that. That was useful for you. It's really interesting for me. Don't forget it to do that. And guys, don't forget to subscribe in the channel. Hit the like button on this video. So guys, act right now. I wish you good luck and see you on the next video and see you on the next live, guys. Alright? So don't forget about this. Risk management first. Okay? And try to use this one, guys. Thanks so much. Have a good day. See you. Bye-bye.